Hi guys, thank you for watching. In this video, I'm going to be doing two kinds of acrylic fluid art. On the first canvas, I'm going to do a dirty cup. And what I've done is I've actually taken red, blue, yellow, and white apple barrel paints. I've mixed them in separate cups, and in these cups I've got 2 parts Floetrol, which is this here. This is a pouring medium, to 1 part paint and 1 part water. And I'm going to do a couple things. So the first one, like I said, I'm going to do a dirty cup. Oh yeah, also, I have black. This is a house paint, but I also have the Floetrol and the water in there as well. It's just at a consistency that's just nice and drippy. Also, in these cups, I have added silicone, and this is the silicone that I use. I got this at Home Depot. I think it was like $5. And I put 15 drops in the blue cup. I think 18 in the red, 5 in the yellow, and 7 in the black. Just to do something different. And I did not put any silicone, no silicone in the white. Reason being is that when you do that, sometimes it tends to want to make the cells around the colors, which totally looks cool in some instances. I'm not gonna do it this time. So yeah, the first one I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a cup and I'm gonna pour my colors in there, and then I'm gonna flip it. Those are my popsicle sticks falling all over the ground. Yeah. And then on the other canvas, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to do a pour. So after I mix these in the dirty cup, I'm going to stir a little bit maybe, and then I'm going to pour it on with the white and do a swipe method with my one and only, that's right, my cake icing tool. So here we go with the first one. Okay. Also, this is just a board. These are canvas boards. As you can tell, I just didn't want to edge, and they were actually at Ross. It was a 2-pack for like $3, so that was pretty cool. Make sure your area is protected when you're doing this. Also, if you want to wear gloves, I'm not usually worried about it, but sometimes I feel like I'm so worried about not getting it on me that it messes me up. So, and make sure you have something underneath to catch it, because I also like to make, other pieces of art down here where the extra paint will fall, and then you can move it back and forth. And so hopefully we have enough paint to do both of them. If not, then we'll just do this one. But that's what I'm hoping, that we can get 2 pieces out of this. So, and here we go. Also, white is the heaviest color, so it's going to go to the bottom. So whenever you're pouring these colors in, you have to remember that the first color that you're pouring in is going to be at the top once it's flip-flopped over. So yeah, so we're going to start with white. And then I'm going to go, yeah, blue. And then I want like a green tone. I hope this is going to work out. I also put a little bit of bronze and kind of a gold color in with the yellow. And I'm just going to do this. Just okay, sometimes okay, and I'm actually not going to do a flip cup. I'm just going to do a dirty pour. So, no, I'm not. I'm going to figure this out here. This is going to be the next one. I don't know what I was thinking. So here we go for the flip cup. You're just going to let it drip down for a minute. Sometimes people will pour paint around here, and I think that's what I was thinking of doing. I'm just getting a little ahead of myself. That is super cool, man. A lot of red, which is fine. See, the white is kind of not there much. This looks really nice. Move this forward because I feel like it's not. I'm glad I did that because I have just enough paint to cover it. This is looking really psychedelic. And I'm just kind of tapping the back of it to get it to roll. Kind of hitting the back. Come on. It'll go. Can tap it. Give it a little tappy. Tap, tap, tap-a-roo. Wow, guys, check that out. That's what I'm talking about. Hell yeah. All right. So one down. Still gonna make sure you got all your edges figured out. Set this one over here. And we're gonna go with number 2. Alrighty, sorry the screen is a little crooked, but I'm just on a whim here. Okay, this one, we're gonna do a little different. So see, I've got the black, but you know what? That's okay, because I'm just gonna do something different. I'm gonna do kind of something out of the ord. Something I've never done before, at least. I like to do different stuff and figure different things out. And sometimes things just happen for a reason. You know, I really truly believe that. So. Love yellow. So beautiful. Oh, where's my black at? I'm going to do some more black. Hey, we might even be able to get more out of it. And then I'm going to put white in between all these little extra spots. I want to fill it all in. Okay, Now, we're going to go with the swipey. So, here we go. Pretty awesome. I wanted those colors to blend a little more, tone it down a little bit. Sometimes it'll bring out different colors, like I'll show you in the sun photos after these dry. There's like lavenders and, you know, just really natural colors in here that I really love. And that's why I like to mix it, and it looks a little gray, like there's some gray in it. But when you look at it, and I would really like to put a resin on these to make them shiny, and you'll see all the colors pop. I mean, it's crazy. This is amazing. I'm super happy with them. So there they are. There's so much going on in here too. Again, I'll do close-ups and show you. Sometimes you just kind of mess with them until you're happy with them. This one turned out amazing. The first ones always do, seems like. There's that. And then I've also got this down here. My drop that I can also twirl around if I wanted to. Can't really show you guys because I can't move my other stuff out of the way. Well, I guess I could, huh? But if it drips, somebody's gonna be mad. But here, you want to. Sometimes, see, I just will wait sometimes, but other times I just like play with it just to see what happens. I mean, and I just let it keep falling sometimes. Other times, last time I did this, it came out looking so amazing. It looks like a lake, like somebody explained it as a lake, up close lake with water drops on it. If you were to zoom in on a rainfall on a lake, that's what it would look like, they said. It's just crazy how some of this stuff comes out. You can blow on it to give whatever direction you want. But that's just my overflow. But thank you guys for watching. Please comment if you have any questions or any information you'd like to share, or if you want to comment something that you've done, please, I'd love to see. Please like this video and share it if you want to see more. Subscribe to my channel on YouTube. Thanks for watching, guys.